Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. In today's video, this is day number 182 of my 365 days of art. You will notice that I've been doing a lot of sketches lately. I just really want to focus more on the fundamentals right now. Sometimes when I'm doing a lot of painting, I tend to forget a lot of the fundamentals, like focusing more on the line art or proportions of the face and all of that. So I'm taking my time to focus more on the proportions of the face and line art and trying to figure out various drawing techniques, especially if I don't really care that much about creating clean lines, especially with my idea of creating a webcomic. I don't really care that much about having clean lines in my webcomic because I want to have my own style when I create my webcomic. But I want to kind of get familiar with the lines that I will draw. I want to get familiar with the artwork that I want to create in the future for my webcomic. And so I want to spend a lot more time doing sort of line art and black and white comics. I still don't know if I want to color my webcomic. I might color it or I might not. I actually like the appeal of both monochrome style webcomics that I've read from South Korea. For example, like BJ Alex is mostly it's a BL webcomic and it's mostly in black and white. But there are other webcomics that I really enjoy reading that are in color, full color, beautiful, like vivid, like saturated webcomics that are in color that I would like to kind of study from. So I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it out. But for now, I think it's good to focus on the fundamentals, focus on the proportions of the face. That's why I'm focusing on side profiles, and I want to draw more characters that are like looking down or looking up, looking down and up in like 3/4 views, doing random really extreme poses. I want to get there, so I'm kind of challenging myself. It's good as an artist to constantly challenge yourself, and it's good as an artist to constantly want to do new things, right? Not only be sort of trapped in this whole I'm used to doing things a specific way and that's what I'm going to focus on. I'm the type of person who is used to doing different things but building on those different things. I want to gain new skills and become better at various things. So that's kind of my aim for now. It's the end of September. It's the end of September. In the past, when I started my 365 days of art, I was kind of aiming at various themes per month, but after about between August and September, my artwork is kind of like a mixture of various things. But I would like for October to have a specific theme of things and to kind of stay in that theme. So for example, in the month of July, I was focused mostly on line art. In the month of August, I started painting my art. I don't know for October. I'm not really into Halloween. I never really celebrated it because it's not a part of my culture. Not really interested in it. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do for October. Like for real, I'm not really interested in things like Halloween themed or anything like that. It's not my goal or anything, but I will see what I can do. I will see what I want to do and then work with that in October to have a specific theme. I think it will be fun to do that, sort of challenging, because there's a thing called, in artwork, if you're a new artist you might not know this, but in artwork there's a thing called blank page syndrome, and although I don't get artist block, I do have that blank page syndrome where I tend to stare at the page and like, what am I supposed to do now? So I think it does aid to artist block for a lot of artists because they don't know what to do and where to start. But to overcome that, I try to come up with themes. I try to come up with various ideas. But anyway, let me stop talking. That is all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. In the month of October. Yay! If you like this content, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It will help me create art more freely. And what else? Yeah, that is all. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend ahead. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.